Hi guys, welcome to WebSensePro. Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add stylish looking theme page on your WordPress Elementor website with a cool looking hover effects. So after watching the complete video, you will have your theme page looking like this. So if you want your Elementor website to have this stylish looking theme page, make sure to watch the complete video and do not forget to subscribe the channel. We are creating continuously tutorial related to WordPress and Elementor, which will help you boost SEO ranking, improve the layout of Elementor and a lot of other stuff. So make sure to subscribe the channel. And we also do websites for our clients. So if you want your website to be nice looking and SEO friendly, you can contact us to build your website on your behalf, because we know that your time is very expensive and we can help you build your website in an affordable price, which will rank in the Google on top. Okay, so let's start with this implementing this tutorial, and I am going to go to the backend of my WordPress website and start creating this stylish looking theme page with hover effects, so you guys can learn how you can do that on your own. Okay, so first I'm going to take a new page, go to pages and then click on add a new page. Okay, I'm going to name it theme page YouTube tutorial and then click on publish. Click on publish again. Perfect. Now let's click on edit with Elementor. Okay guys, so first I am going to hide the header because I just want to focus on the theme page. You don't want to do that, so I'm just doing that so I can show you guys only that section. Okay. By clicking on this settings and then selecting the Elementor canvas templates, hides the header and footer for that page, right? Okay, now let's click publish. And now I'm going to click on this plus sign and then click on Flexbox, and then I am going to take this 4 column container. Okay, now we have these 4 containers. We're going to be creating 5. So let's click on this column, open our options item and then click on duplicate. Okay, now we have 5 columns container and then 5 containers within our main container. Okay. Now let's click on this plus sign for our first container, and then I am going to search for heading. Let's drag and drop and let's name it team member 1. Perfect. Now let's, for content, click on this plus sign and then search for text and then drag and drop our text editor below that. I'm going to add content for team member. You can add content related to your own team member. Okay, let's click on plus sign again and then search for social media icons. I'm gonna drag and drop my social icons below the content. Perfect. Now click on this icon for the container, then click on style, and I am going to add my background image. So let's click on classic here and then click on this plus sign to choose an image. And now I'm going to choose image for the first team member. Let's add in this image for now. Click on select. Okay, our background image is added. Let's select position to be center and repeat to be no repeat, display size to be cover. Perfect. Now I am going to select our main container, and main container should be full width and full height. And to make it full height, let's select VH here and then make it 100 VH. Perfect. We have our first container as full height, which is our main container. And while you are doing the settings on the main container, click on advanced and then under CSS classes, add in main. Cool. Now we need to centralize our title, content and social media icons. So click on this container and then scroll down, and from here click on layout, and from here we have this justify content, and here we have the option to center it. Perfect. Now let's click on heading and then go to style and then make it center. Similarly, I'm going to make center alignment for the other two items, which is the text editor and my social media icons. Okay, content. Okay, it's already centralized. Perfect. Now let's go back to this container settings, click on style and add in the background overlay. For background overlay, select the gradient, and for gradient you can choose your own likeness of the colors. I'm gonna choose black as the first color, and the second color to be, okay, reduce the opacity of the color. Similarly do for this one, so our gradient is not completely taking over the image. Perfect. Now let's do some styling for our heading, content, and the social media icons. Click on this heading. I'm gonna make it white color. Similarly for the content, let's make it white color. And for social icons, I'm gonna choose the coloring to be so it matches with our layout. So let's select the primary color to be white and make it a little less in opacity. Looks good, right? Okay, now what we're gonna do, we will simply copy and paste to for our team members. So let's create duplicate of this container. I'm gonna create 5 duplicated containers. Let's delete these older ones. Okay, delete. Perfect. Now you can see that we have this top and left right space showing up. So click on main container and then in padding select 0. Perfect. Now we don't have any space showing up. Now all you have to do is just go to main container again. Make sure you have the main as a CSS class and scroll down to the bottom and add in the custom CSS from the code available in the YouTube video description. So there's the link in the video description. Just go to that link and you will have it the code looking like this. Click on this copy code button and then paste the code here. Once you paste the code, you will see that you will have this stylish looking animation for your team members. Looks cool, right? Click on publish and then let's preview the page. Click on this icon and then preview the page. And here you go. You can see that we have our stylish looking animation showing up. Now let's change our images. So I'm gonna change the images. Make it team member 2. Let's do the same for the third one. We have some fixes to be done on the mobile version, so make sure to watch the rest part of the video. We are done with the animation, but we need to fix it in the mobile version. Okay, we have 5 different team members showing up. Okay, team member 5, team member 4. You can name your team member as per their names. Okay, perfect. We have it looking good. Now it looks fine on the tablet version. It's gonna animate well when I'll add back the CSS code, but in the mobile version, that's how it looks. So for the mobile version, click on every single container and add some padding. So click on the first container, click on advanced, and then click on this link values together to unlink the values, and then add the top padding 50px and the bottom padding 50px. Based on your images, you can adjust that based on your pictures and the spacing, but 50 pixel works fine for me. So make sure that your images are centered. Okay, I was supposed to unlink it and add top and bottom. Perfect. Let's do for the team member 3. Click on advanced, unlink the values, add top padding 50 and then bottom padding 50. Similarly do for the team member 4. Unlink, top 50px, bottom 50px, and for the team member 5. Perfect. Let's click on publish and let's switch back to the desktop version. And now let's click again on the main container. You can go to the structure here as well. You can press Command I to open the structure. And here we have all of the container structure. You can see we have these 5 container which are within the main container. So make sure to add the CSS on the main container and make sure to have the main class on the main container section. Now let's click on custom CSS and add back our CSS code. Perfect. Let's click on publish and our team page is ready to go. Looks cool, right? Let's check out on the mobile version. Here's how it looks on mobile version. We gotta do the centralization of the social media icons and the content as well, but it looks fine for me. You can do that if you want. And that's it for the tutorial, guys. If you like the tutorial and if you want me to create more tutorial like this, let us know in the comments below. Until next video, have a great day.